at me, buddy. Don't be smiling at me.
Oh, gosh.
Jake.
Oh!
No.
Rock puppy. I'm sorry, Mom.
Back up, Goober. You asked if you could bring him.
And you told us
said
to.
yes. He wouldn't have noticed there were fish in there had you not fed them while he was paying attention.
He was paying attention long before I fed him.
Not to the fish he wasn't.
Wood.
Wood.
As long as it's a stick.
How are they doing?
We've got 2 calls on that now. That thing's what's used.
Because it's not stable.
As uninterested as he is in so many things. You can throw a ball, throw a toy. It's not that big a deal. They're over here. Yes, let's get over here.
He's a little more stable over here. Slightly. Not much.
Hey! Hey! Yeah? What are you doing?